My name is Christopher Michael Vogel, and my candidate number is GHW 422-0066330143.
First, on this ITGS internal assessment product, I'm going to showcase a few of the features of the website that could not be shown in Criterion E. This first includes this drop-down menu for the navigation bar that allows access to different forms of painting under this tab: interior, wallpaper removal, and exterior painting or deck staining, and also showcasing how each of the images at the bottom of the home page act as a thumbnail that lead to the corresponding page that they are labeled with. For example, the painting image leads to a page about painting. Advanced techniques were used in the form of manipulated graphics. For example, every image on this website was provided by John, my client, and they were all watermarked separately in GNU Image Manipulation Program, or GIMP 2, where they were then resized to be the appropriate size for thumbnails or for the page header, and then exported as .png images. They were exported as .png images to ensure that they loaded quickly and efficiently on web pages, as PNGs are the most efficient for doing this, and to ensure the best quality with the speed that they provide. Next, navigation was used using frames and customized buttons in the form of the thumbnails that were already showcased. Again, each thumbnail is able to be clicked on and leads to the corresponding page, so the carpentry thumbnail leads to carpentry page. And then the home logo, the logo for the company, if it's clicked on, brings it back to the home page. This was done by editing the code behind each of the images by adding an ahref tag. The A tag provides a link in the href. All I had to do was to provide the link to each of the corresponding pages attached to the image in the href tag. Integration of components used in advanced features from other applications. The logo for this website was created in Adobe Illustrator and was used using the text tool, and then in order to get the paint stroke the same color as the rest of the website's color scheme, an image of the website was brought into Adobe Illustrator, and then the color was sampled from the web page and brought over to the other image, where it was then used by applying it to the paintbrush stroke. The paintbrush stroke was made using a special brush stroke in Adobe Illustrator, and all the text was resized to fit around the stroke, and then it was exported in the correct size for a logo. Integration of different elements of multimedia was used throughout this website in terms of links, images, and other media. The client's criteria were fulfilled in the form of a clearly labeled tab or navigation bar, and an improved layout on the previous website, as shown here, as the previous website did not have drop-down tabs or appropriate navigation bars. Consistent style with conforming and welcoming color scheme throughout. This is shown with the same red color scheme on every page and the same heading image on every page as well, to give it a consistent layout. And all of them have a brief description at the top with images of the work beneath, if they were provided. Next is a contact request form, which is on this page and links to an email of John's choosing. Metadata was put behind the website to make sure that it appears on Google. Working slideshows were not added, but an improved company logo was added for color painting at John's request. And this website does appear on mobile and other devices through WordPress's own editing and tools for software. as if we click on Customize, it can be seen that it is viewed on different forms of media, such as mobile and tablet.